Okay, so in February of 2024, I unboxed and I started using the OnePlus 12. And I've been using this device as one of my daily drivers until now, which we are in mid 2025. So over the past 18 months, the OnePlus 12 is a testament on how a great smartphone has gotten better over time with software updates and OS updates. And you know what? There was no need for me to buy a OnePlus 13 because this device right here has been exactly the reason why. If you eliminate all the noise, if you eliminate all the hype and enjoy the device that you have, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. But let me give you my thoughts and experience of the OnePlus 12 using it for almost 18 months as one of my daily drivers. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So the OnePlus 12 is packed with top-of-the-line specs, innovative features, and a price tag that's hard to resist. At about $799, the OnePlus 12 has been proven reliable in a bunch of areas. So let me talk about the phone of the year for me in 2024. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So I have access to buy any smartphone I want, right? And as you know, I'm a tech enthusiast. So you know what? My hand be itching to buy everything. But look, having over 220 phones, right? I appreciate a device that delivers almost everything that I want and everything that I need. Almost everything. As you know, my favorite phone is the LG V60. That was my perfect smartphone. It had the power, it had the battery life, dual screen support, it had a headphone jack with a quad DAC, it had pen support with pen software, it has desktop mode. Well, unfortunately, I cannot find no smartphone that delivers all the features and functionality of my beloved LG V60, right? But look, this is one of the reasons why I absolutely love older smartphones, because they deliver the goods in one package. That's right, one package. No need to do anything else, one package. Well, I kind of feel like the OnePlus 12 had filled in some of those gaps. The OnePlus 12 performance is great, right? Fast and fluid. It's one of the smoothest devices that I ever use, right? Smoother than my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I do want to say that. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 16 gigs of RAM, and you could add an extra 12 gigs of RAM using RAM expansion, which is nuts, right? This device is very optimized with Android 15 to boot and years of upcoming updates and support coming for this phone. Now I have the 512 gigs of storage on this device, so I'll have no problem with storage and everything else in between. Now I have to say this, the 5400 milliamp battery on the OnePlus 12 is a beast, beating out my Galaxy S25 Ultra, hands down when it comes down to battery life. This device is great, right? And it's crazy that I spent under $800 for this device. That's better bang for your buck, baby. Better bang for your buck. And listen, I did want to buy the OnePlus 13, but having a OnePlus 12, I feel like there was no need to buy a OnePlus 13. The OnePlus 12 delivers excellent performance, excellent battery life. Display is absolutely beautiful, right? There was no need to buy the OnePlus 13 if you got a OnePlus 12. And that's how I felt. But let's talk about these cameras. One of the biggest reasons why I rocked the OnePlus 12 for almost 18 months is because the reliability of the camera system here on this device. But you know what? Let me show you some camera samples and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out. Okay, so how can the OnePlus 12 be the perfect smartphone for me? Well, unfortunately, it can't. That title belongs to the LG V60. Think about this, and I thought about this. If the OnePlus 12 had pen support, dual display support, SD card support, had a headphone jack with a quad DAC, desktop support, and a lot of other features that I like about the LG V60, this would be the perfect smartphone for me. But right now, the OnePlus 12 is second best, right? And I'm gonna tell you, the OnePlus 12 has been my pick, a phone of the year 2024, and it's still in my pocket, even though I got newer devices. Doesn't matter. Look, the price point, the performance, the build quality, the display, the updates, and everything else in between, this device will be in my pocket for a long time. And listen, the OnePlus 12 is good for me. You might like Galaxies, you might like iPhones, you might like Motorola devices. That's your choice. The OnePlus 12 is my choice. And I believe using this device for the past 18 months has been nothing but excellent. No crashes, no stuttering, no hiccups. I mean, I'm getting monthly updates. The build quality has been great. I still have the pre-installed screen protector from the manufacturer still on this device. I did not install no screen protectors on here. The build quality has been great. Yes, I have a case on it, but other than that, it feels good in the hand. I am a fan of curved displays. So when I look at this device and I see this ultra curved, beautiful display, I'm all in, right? The OnePlus 12 has been one of my devices, and it's gonna be very difficult for this device not to be my daily driver for the next year or so. All right, if you want to see more videos of smartphones and everything else in between, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.